Hi, and welcome to my classroom. My name is Christopher Youngren, and I'm a middle school ELA teacher in Tucson, Arizona. How to achieve instant student engagement. Is such a thing even possible? Well, I'm here to tell you that yes, it is, and I get it on almost a daily basis. And it's as simple as this. Make taking attendance fun. Make taking attendance fun. And how do you do that? Well, I started off at the beginning of the year with a question of the day. A question of the day. And not just like, what's your favorite color or what's your favorite movie, but things like, what was your favorite childhood toy? What was your favorite memory from elementary school? Or what do you miss about elementary school that you wish you still had in middle school? Or if you had 15 minutes of fame, what would you do with it? Or if you had an extra hour every day, how would you spend it? And these simple questions, these simple ice-breaking questions really give you a glimpse into the lives of your students. And you can achieve it very, very quickly. And these students are hungry to share. They are desperate for human interaction and communication, especially during these trying COVID times, right? They need that connection and they are looking for it. And so you ask them these simple questions and they're waiting for it. They're waiting to share. And if you skip a day, boy, howdy, we've been having student parent-teacher conferences this week. And so the classes have been shorter. And as a result, I've had to skip over the question of the day and get right into the activity. And the people are like, where's the question of the day? Where's the question of the day? We want it. And they get used to it. And they really, really need that like immediate connection, that sharing of themselves on a daily basis. And it's become a really valuable tool in my classroom. It's something that the kids really, really depend upon. And beyond that, you can mix it up. I mean, you can find like icebreaker questions if you just do a simple Google search online. But also they love the would you rather questions, right? Would you rather be covered with scales or covered with fur? Would you rather sing everything you say or rap everything you say? They love the would you rather questions. And again, all you got to do is look on Google and you can find a ton of them. And you can even search by grade level. I mean, they have it from kindergarten, and then they have elementary school, they have middle school ones, they have high school ones. You, of course, have to sift through them to make sure that they're appropriate, but they absolutely love the would you rather questions. And I even have used Mad Libs, old school Mad Libs. Do you remember these, where you give them you ask them for an adjective or a noun or a verb or whatnot, and you have them fill in the blanks. And not only is this a fun way to start the day, and then you read the story back to them after you plug in all the words that are missing at the end. But it's a great way to provide yourself some insight into whether or not these kids are where they're supposed to be grade level. Because if they're in middle school and they're getting stumped on what a noun is or what a verb is or what an adjective is or an adverb is, it tells you a lot about where we are as a class. And after 5 months of quarantine, there is definitely going to be some backslide. And so you gotta be careful with this one. You don't wanna put anybody on the spot and call attention to the fact that maybe they don't know what one of these things is. So what you do is you know, if you're getting a little bit of a pause or somebody saying, I can't think of a noun, I can't think of a verb, you just you say a noun. You know, person, place, or thing, something like that. Or a verb, an action word, an adjective, a describing word. So give them a little assistance if you need to, but it's also a really, really fun way to get student buy-in. And using these things on a daily basis to really establish that communication and community before curriculum, it goes such a long way, as I've said in other videos here, it goes such a long way in making the work that you do in class all the more valuable and the easier to teach the curriculum once you have this good, strong foundation of communication with the students. So I wholeheartedly recommend giving it a try. And sometimes it takes a couple extra minutes, you know? I mean, our class periods are 40 minutes long. Sometimes it takes 10 to 15 minutes to get through just taking attendance. But it's okay, because the kids look forward to coming to class because they're not just regarded as students, they're considered part of the community and valuable contributing members of the classroom society. So give it a try. Please reach out and let me know how it works for you if you do it. And I hope you like what I have to say here. If so, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep them coming. I hope you're well out there. Stay safe, be well, and I'll see you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.